Let's customize our Looker Studio dashboard's theme and layout. I will click here on theme and layout and you will see some standard templates for our theme. This white, this gray, this black, and this brown, for instance. As you can see, we are changing the background colors and also the charts colors, but I will go back to the initial one because I want to customize it. So I will click here, then I will click on customize and I will change the report background. This time I will make it this purple and it is terrible and ugly, but it is not my only problem. If I go to other pages, these changes will affect all the pages on my report. So I will revert this change. I will go back to page 2 of 10. I will go back to the initial page I was working on. And here I will change again. So theme and layout, customize, and the background will be again for the entire report for all the pages. It will be this pink. By the way, I don't know if this is pink, but I will say it is pink during the tutorial, okay? Here, I want to change only this page background color. So I will go to page and current page settings. For this particular page, I will zoom this out and I will go to style. I have some settings I can customize. For instance, the page background and also the page size. I will explain this. If I go to page background and I set it white, this change will only affect this particular page. The standard size of all the pages in my report are the width 1200 and the height are 1000. I will change it to 1100. Now, this page in particular is changed. Now I want to modify the elements or the charts on my Looker Studio report. So I will go back to theme and layout, customize, and you will see all the options to customize your report. But here I will go to component, background, and border. First, I will change the background. The background instead will be this purple. So the charts background or the component background will be this purple. I will make this border rounded. And finally, I will add a border color. So I will make it purple and the thickness will be 1. And as you can see, it will affect all the components or my dashboard. This is how you can customize your themes and layouts on Google Looker Studio.